Hello everyone, Dana here from Dana's Electrical Services, and in today's video I have the unboxing of the Maybesta wireless microphone, and this one is for the USB-C port only. They have different ones for the different port. So they have for the lightning and all the other ports there are. This one is for vlog, TikTok, YouTube, interview, live stream, podcast. They basically listing everything you can do with this wireless microphone. On the back here it says plug and play, up to 65 feet recording range, which I think is a good range. Precise radio, clear timbre, don't know what that means. Highly sensitive, widely compatible. So as you see on the back there, it says Maybesta wireless mini micro K-Talk vlog live stream, whatever that says. As you can see, it doesn't have the name, the brand name at the front of the box right there, so I am assuming this is one of these I don't want to say Chinese, but let me just say Chinese product, where occasionally they will change the name on Amazon or the other selling website. By the way, I bought this one on Amazon for $17 US, which is pretty reasonable, right? So as I was saying, I'm saying maybe this is one of those products where occasionally they change the name and try to sell it as a different brand. So we're gonna unbox it and see. This is just really the unboxing. Hopefully the review, the full detail review, will come in short order. So we can probably check back about 2 weeks after watching this initial video, or after seeing this video uploaded, and hopefully we should have the full review. So this seems like the charging cable. Well, it doesn't seem like it is the charging cable because it is wireless, so and it doesn't use battery. So this seems like the transmitter. No, this would be the receiver. This is the receiver, and this is the transmitter. There are two transmitters, right? Two of them, and we have our, what is this called again? Pop blocker. I think that's the name of it, pop blocker. Right, so we have two transmitter, one receiver, and a USB-C and USB-A. So USB-A to USB-C cable, and we have this sales card with their email, their website. Right, scan with the Amazon shopping app to learn more. So I guess this will have the detailed instruction. I'm wondering if it is fully charged already. Is there a power on button? Yes, I see a power on button. Does it have a light though? Oh yeah, see a light blinking there, green and red. Is there one on this? No. But guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna plug this one in right now and see if we start transmitting. So light is blinking green and red, if you can see that. So let me plug this in. I think I was reading somewhere where they say the Bluetooth should be turned off when connecting this. Well, still blinking green and red. Not sure. I was expecting to see a different color. was expecting to see a different color, hoping that it's connected. Doesn't see a different color. So I'm gonna pause this video and try connect and then see and let you hear what it sounds like.
A few moments later.
So I think I figured out what the problem was. The problem was that I wasn't inserting the receiver all the way in. And at this point, I actually inserted my receiver in the phone and I inserted properly. And I was here talking away in the video, but because the transmitter is not turned on, but the receiver is connected to the phone, so no audio was recording. And at this point, I don't know what I was there talking about in the background. But next, I want to show you the power button on the back. Yeah, so that's the power button that we use to turn it on, and that is the clip that we clip it on to our clothes. So if we turn it on, now it's connected. So it's no longer blinking red and green, it's solid green. So I think we're connected. So let me talk in my microphone. Mic check, 1 3 1 3. How am I sounding? I'm currently walking around. I'm walking away from the phone. I'm walking away, I'm turning, I'm twisting, I'm jumping. Actually, I'm not doing all that. I'm just walking away from the phone. So let me know, what do you guys think? Currently, I'm holding it to my mouth, so I know the sound should be loud. But it's probably about the alright. Currently, I am holding it about the same distance now that the phone was away from my mouth. Probably. Yeah, so that is it. So this is it, guys. This is the unboxing. Did I say that word right? Anyways, this is the unboxing of the Maybesta wireless microphone. For more videos like these, please feel free to subscribe to my channel at Danice Electrical Services. Thank you.